Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is July the 7th. We are out here on our first of two projects. Like I said, we rarely do two projects, but again, this is the busy season. This is summer. A lot of people are moving. So actually, two of the houses that we're doing today, Screen Recoats, are both move outs. We also went and did a consultation this morning in Decula. They booked for next Tuesday. So right now, I have one more slot available for next week. So anyway, guys, I came out here last week, right before the 4th of July weekend, did an in-home consultation. We're going to be doing a screen, clean, and recoat, and the countertops on this house right here. The homeowner, they actually moved out, but they still have access to the house for the rest of the month. And the guys, these floors are in need of some good TLC. This is the engineered floor. Can't be sanded, but with our unique screen and recoat and color correction skills, we're going to make this floor look a whole lot better. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so let me go back. So we are in Cumming, Georgia. Well, I call Cumming one of my hot spots. I do a lot of work in Cumming. So anyway, you see here, guys, as soon as you walk in, you see all that veneer missing. They did have a dog in here, also back here. So I'm gonna make sure I get some good before and afters. See some peeling going on here, all right? So that's not good. Also in here, same thing. A lot of peeling and something is coming off the floor. Same thing I went this morning. It was now this is the living room area. Not too bad because probably had like a big rug in here. But then coming over here to the kitchen. See out here by this back door. All right, so Tavares just scraped up some tape or something that was on the floor. And then also we're gonna be cleaning and polishing these countertops. See a lot of residue on these countertops. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and make these floors look good. Stay tuned. Okay. Alright, guys, that is going to do it. First, we got the countertops done. Look at the countertops. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I didn't do a lot of filming on this job, guys. We had a lot of phone calls coming in. A lot of phone calls. We're booked out for about 2 weeks. And the floors came out great. Again, they was renting this house, so they just wanted to make the floors look better. As you can see, nice satin finish on these floors. I'll tell you one thing, guys, it is getting hot, hot, hot. Over here. Beautiful. Remember when I first came in, guys? Remember in this room right here? All that peeling or whatever that was. Don't see that anymore. What is that? Oh, there's just a piece of debris. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, and then also too, check out the color correction. All right, also all up in here, all that missing color, fill that in. All right, beautiful. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. We have a screen and recoat tomorrow with UV cure and countertops. And I have, oh, that's water damage or either urine right there. But I have 3 people to call back that sent me pictures for quotes, and we're about to head it back in. All right, guys, see you in the next one.